Welcome back to KRS Investment, where investments are made simple. Guys, my name is Ken, entrepreneur, investor in the stock market, real estate, and of course, doing my own business. Now, this is very, very exciting news. If you are an investor in AMD, you can see on my screen that AMD have shot the world again. Great thing that's happening in the aftermarket. Now, I told you guys, if you get a chance to be able to trade stocks in the aftermarket, it is a great opportunity. Now, I will be going over the earnings report, let you guys know how the company did, if they did poorly or if they did great. Let's find out. Yes, indeed, guys. Excited news. If you're an investor in AMD, you could do your own research, make your own conclusion. But at the end of the day, we see that AMD performed extremely well. And now is a time that the stock price is going to start to rise higher. So if you're invested in AMD, guys, please take a look at your position. Now, I will try to post this video as fast as possible with zero editing so you guys could get to watch it. If you're subscribed, then you will get an alert that let you know that there's a video that's been posted, so it can remind you to check your shares if you're invested. If you're not yet invested, you may want to watch this video because this could be a key opportunity for you to get in at an early time when there are money to be made. Now, let's jump right into it. So AMD reported their earnings report. We can see here they reported their second quarter of 2022 financial report. It says here that AMD today announced revenue for the second quarter of 2022 of $6.6 billion. Let me just repeat that again. Revenue of $6.6 billion. And they reported a gross margin of 46%. They reported like an operating income of 526 million. This is what I like. The operating income of 526 million. And of course, revenue of 6.6 billion. That's a big gap in terms of how much money they're using to operate the business versus how much money they're making in revenue. Now, they also reported, and let's see here, 526 was for operating income, 6.6 billion for revenue. Also net income of 447 million and diluted earnings per share of 0.27 on a non-GAAP. So this was a great opportunity if you did not own the stock this week, for you to own some shares like now, right? Basically, if you were trading, let's just switch my screen right here quickly so you guys could see exactly what I'm saying. So AMD closed off the market, as you can see here, closed off the day at $99.29. Now for the day, we could see that they opens up, went for a low of 95.43, and then they went for a huge run, breaking $100 per share. But once the earning report came out, the stock price dropped. Now it drops below $92 per share. Had a small recovery, crosses over $96.40, and now we're seeing it going back below $95 per share. Now, the reason why it is very important and it's a good idea to keep cash on the side is because opportunities like these in the aftermarket and also in the pre-market trading, it's great time for you guys to make trades that could give you great profit. Not a big profit when you think about a company like AMD, but you could still make 5 to 8% on a simple trade that takes you from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock, right? So if you think about it, if you invest in a large amount of money, times 5%, that could be a big difference. That could be an income for a month for some people or a year for some people, right? So again, it's trading at $94.90. I got in just around 92.50. I was able to sell at 96.20, and I'm back in again at 94.45. I'm gonna watch it to see how it perform for the rest of the week. If you guys did not have shares, this is a great opportunity because There will be a surge that is about to come. It's just a matter of time. If we take a look here at the charts, we can see in the last 2 weeks how the stock was performing in terms of anticipation. We saw there was a rise above 91, but then we saw it drops below $85 per share. This was an opportunity for anyone that's new into AMD, or if you're looking for like a chipset stock. This was a great price, right? If we take a look in the last year, that price that you saw here last 2 weeks, that was a perfect price, and this is as low as you've seen it in the last year and a half, right? So this was amazing opportunity. If you did not get in, it's not the end of the day. Don't beat yourself up. Don't chase prices, because that's where you lose money, when you start to chase price and you invest too fast and you get panic. No, we do not want to do that. We want to invest at a price that we feel comfortable going in. That way you can establish your position and you can wait long term. Now, if you did get it in the 85, 84, then that would be more comfy, because you can just sit and wait patiently. Anywhere here from 93 to 96 dollars per share, it's still a great entry for anyone out there. Again, I sold quick because I wanted to take advantage of the price movement, right? But if you're going in for the first time, then definitely you can go in and establish a position. So again, we're seeing it's 94.80 right now, closing close to $95 per share. Let's just take a look here. We can see, let's see the forecast here. Let's see if my platform have it here. It says the company expect revenue of 6.6 billion plus or minus 200 million compared to analysts, right? So estimate was 6.82, right? So that's a little bit cut off, but still not a big deal in my opinion. I am going in and buying and holding, because anytime I see that AMD, if it drops below like $85 per share, or if it drops below $95 per share, I always keep that 5, right? So in my opinion, it is a great price for you to consider. If you guys want to wait and see if it could break maybe $92 per share, then that would be even better, right? But at the end of the day, guys, you have to make that decision. I just want to bring it to you guys as I see it. No, I don't want to spend too much time on the video, because I want to upload it right away so you guys could make full advantage if you get to view the video in time. Now, if you're not yet subscribed, guys, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you know any friend that's into investing, if they're looking for a simple explanation, you can definitely pass the video to them. Not too much technicals in my videos, because I try to keep it as light and as simple as possible, because at the end of the day, let's be honest with ourselves. Do you really want to watch a video that give you a lot of breakdown that you will not understand? Not really, right? If you're an advanced or an intermediate investor, then definitely you need something with more information. But the reason why I create these videos so simple is just to give you an alert that, hey, this is what's going on in this stock. Do some research. If it fits your portfolio, it's an opportunity that you can get it, right? If you don't want it, that's fine. You don't have to invest in every stock. It's just to let you know what's there and what could be possible great opportunities, right? So again, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys are buying shares, if you guys are staying away, if you sold your shares, whatever the case is. Let's get some conversation going. But until next time, guys, as usual, peace out.